Okay, we are now doing experiment under virtual lab, IIT Kharagpur Electrical Machine Laboratory. So this is our third method, that is Ward-Leonard method. This name is given as in the name of an inventor. So that is in 1891, Harry Ward Leonard. He has invented this particular speed control method. Here actual assembly is DC generator along with DC motor. This is very similar to armature voltage control method, where we are changing the voltage, and based on that change in the we are controlling voltage, that is basically, and accordingly speed is controlled. So as per the procedure, let us do the connections. So A1 to A2, B1 to B2, and C1 to C2 first of all. Then F1 to F2 I will do first. Then I will go for E1 to E2, and then I will go for G1 to G2. So these six are done. Now D1 to D2. So this is D1 to D2. Then K1 to connection is M1, K1 to M1, K1 to K2, K1 to K2. Then H1 to H2, H1 to H2. Then H1 to I1, H1 to I1. Then Z1 to Z2. Then Z1 to I2. Z1 to I2. I2 to M2. I2 to M2. M1 to N1. M1 to N1. Then N2 to O1. N2, where is N2? N2 to O1. L1 to L2. Now this is L1 to L2. And L2 to M1. And L2 to M1. So all the connections are done. So here we will go for check connections. Please complete the connection. Okay, is there anything remaining? L2 to L1 to L2 and L2 to M1. I think it is done. In instructions, check connections A1, B1, C1, E1. A1, B1, C1 and E1. E1 to A2. Then there is F1, G1, D1. F1 to F2, G1 and D1, D2. Then there is K1, M1, K1, K2, K1, M1, K1, K2 and K1, L1. K1, L1. This is one more. K1, L1. So now this is done. Check connections. So correct connections. Now in the instructions, so it is given step 4 is MCB on, and then click on auto transformer. Slide the knob of the reading of voltmeter and RPM will display. So first of all, what we have to do is MCB on, then this is on auto transformer, and then click on auto. Now slide the knob of the, this is as per instruction, this knob we have to slide and then add to table. So this is add to table first reading. We'll change the voltage, and accordingly we are going to get the speed. Here you can observe the change in the speed. So we will have few readings. So add to table, you can see here voltage is decreasing, speed is also decreasing. So add to table and few more. This is add to table. You can see the effective speed of this motor also. So gradually it is decreasing. This is add to table, and this is last one. This is add to table. So enough, and this is the characteristics. So this way you have speed and voltage versus speed characteristics. So this is observation table, and this is connection diagram. So this is Ford Leonard method.